There are several DAX best practices, and in this video, we will take a look at pro tip number 2. When creating DAX measures, it's important to name your columns correctly or fix them in the Power Query editor after importing your data. Should your column naming conventions be abbreviated or contain underscores in them? Go to the Power Query editor and rename each one in a logical manner. This will enable the DAX IntelliSense to find the names more easily when creating DAX measures. Once you've updated your column names, remember to click on Close and Apply to save these updates and move back to your main Power BI report. The new naming conventions will enable you to find the correct columns much easier with the Power BI IntelliSense and make writing your DAX formulas a lot easier. That's all for pro tip number 2. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching our video. If you've enjoyed the content, please like our video and leave us a comment below. To ensure you don't miss out on more free tutorials, please hit the subscribe button below. We look forward to seeing you next week, Power BI Superheroes.